Hi there and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how you can share a Google Drive file, whatever the file is, whether it's audio, video, text, or any other file. You can share it as public, which means that it can also be embedded on an LMS such as Moodle. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into New. Under New, I will upload a file. Click on that, and then it'll go into my computer where I can decide what file I want. In this case, I'm going to go for a video file. And here's a video file. Click on it and
Bonjour et bienvenue.
And open it. All right. That was my voice in French. All right. Next, notice it's at the bottom right-hand side. Going to go into the three dots where it says More Actions. Click on them, and then notice what you get. Share. Go into Share, and this is where you will share it with everyone so that you can make it public. Now notice by default it's always restricted. So you open that up, and then anyone with the link, you click on that, and this is what you will get. You copy the link, add it in your browser window, whatever browser you're using, that's fine. So let's add it to our browser window. And there it is. Now notice this is what you get at the beginning. It's being processed because it's a video and it's a lot heavier than other files. And then you're going to go into the three dots. And notice there is the embed item. Click on the embed item, and then we can copy the whole thing. And then go into our HTML or source code in Moodle, TinyMCE, and just paste it. Another thing that we can do, if we're using Generico on Moodle in the editor, we just copy that part and we can add that. And we'll go into our course. So here's the course. I will add video just for a title. And then notice what I can do here. Let me open it up by going to the three dots. And now I can go into Generico widgets or go into insert and scroll down until I get to Generico widgets. And then go into the website. And here I can add, if I want to add a video, that's fine. Going to paste the whole thing, but I'm going to remove, notice here, I just want the code. So I can go there, remove that, and go on to the beginning. Now, if you think this is complicated, there's another way of doing it, and I'll show you how. And that's what it looks like. Don't be alarmed by that. Another way is to go into Tools, Source Code, and then let's just paste it. All right, and there, notice it's embedded, and you can see it. The other one you won't see, but let's go back here. Post a forum, and then go into it. There's video, and notice there's the one, the embed, the full embed, and there's the one that I did with Generico. Notice, click on that, and I get exactly the same thing. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. You can do this with audio, with video, PDF files, or any other files that you can upload to your Google Drive and share it. And by the way, this is a great way for videos at least. You don't have to upload them to YouTube. You can simply upload them to your Google Drive and share it the way I suggested. But make sure that the share is not restricted, but is available to anyone who has the link. Thank you for watching.